Good morning, Mr. Hollywood. Your mission, if you decide to accept it, is to come back from the dead.
The sun who makes the stars shine bright like bacon and eggs and bacon. When I start to rock, the whole house starts shaking. That's right, it's got to be good, cause right now, baby, it's me, Hollywood. You know what I want? You heard what I said, cause I am the one back from the dead. Been hard times, bubble gum. You can't stop me, cause I want some. I want the hip, want the hop, want the hoe and the hum. And then I'm gonna come to the maximum, cause I'm house rockin', show stoppin'. When it comes to dollar, the kid is clocking. You can call Bobby, you can call Fred. We need a hell of a crew to come back from the dead. Open up the casket and let us in. I used to be fat, but now I'm slim. And if you're ready, mama, for a time with me, well, come on, let me see you did what you say. It's the music that you won't regret, because right now, talking about the best thing yet, it's the sound of music. I'll take you higher. Horn players give them what they desire. Oh, this feels so good. I'll rock it and shake it with me, Hollywood. Talking about I'm alive. You know I'm kicking. And right now, baby, what you've been wishing. Time for you to pull off your shirt. Come up and let your body work, because the time is now. The place is here. It's Hollywood, baby, and I'm back over here. Bust this funky beat. You can stick it right up under your feet. We got more than a drummer and a bass man. We got the horn players rock across the land with the funkified, fortified juice. Goddamn right, it's gonna turn you loose. Cause once again, mama in your neighborhood, back from the dead, it's me, Hollywood. Bust this. Feels so good. Ow, let's rock like a Hollywood. You can shake, you can bake, you can jump, you can shout, but only Hollywood will bust you out. Say ooh, feels so good. Jumping in and shaking in the neighborhood, like rocking and rolling on the ball court. Playing my music ain't nothing but sport. I'm not too tall, I'm not too short, but I can come on up and just walk your walk, because Hollywood, Hollywood, Hollywood makes it good. Anytime, anytime you're in the neighborhood. So grab somebody, feel the sound, and let everybody go down. Let's do it again. Come on. Somebody clap your hands. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, get loose, baby mama, to the funky beat. Hey, you heard what I meant and what I said, and I am talking about right from the dead. I come, baby, out the crib to tell you something that's really hip. Say, oh, baby, what you got to know is how I get loose on the show. I tell a few jokes, I rock a few rhymes, and then I get the funky beat one more time like feel rock. Ow! Good God Almighty, just don't stop. Just everybody over there, run your fingers through your hair, and everybody that's on the side, come on and let me see that backbone slide. And if you're in the middle, let me see you wiggle. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Go down. Come on, come on, come on, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain. Now once again, easier than Mary Jane. It's time for you to make it rain. It's a brand new dance, pat your foot on the floor. You can bring it back one for more. To let you know we do it in the dead. You can come on, make it rain, like I said, make it rain. Come on. Somebody say, get off. Stop playing, so you can hear everything I'm saying. Somebody get off. Stop playing. once again, who can tell what I'm gonna do next when you try to inspect me at the discotheque? Come on, everybody, remember it's me, DJ Hollywood.